Hello Zickers! In today's video, I'm gonna show you the best print-on-demand products to sell in your store. And as you probably know, the print-on-demand niche is huge. And these days, you can take any product that can be printed on it and sell it with your unique designs. With so many product options and countless design possibilities, it's easy to get a bit lost. Like, it's really easy. And that's why I conducted a very nice product research to identify the best print-on-demand items so you will have a better start on what print-on-demand products to focus on. So when creating this research, I ensured that the products met these criteria right here. The print-on-demand item is available and it's able, we're able to customize through the major platforms like Printify. Then also, the designs don't require professional skills and it can be made using simple editing tools like Canva. And also, these products are profitable and sell at prices that leave a decent profit margin. So I just hope that you're excited as I am, as you can probably notice, because this is pretty cool. So let's just jump into the first print-on-demand item right here, okay? And the first item on today's print-on-demand list is the iPhone case. I know what you're thinking. You're probably asking yourself why this item made the list. Let me give you two main reasons before you criticize me. It's okay, you can criticize me anyway. There is currently a lot of hype around the iPhone, especially with the launch of the new iPhone 16, right? You probably know about it. With so many people buying the latest model, now is a great time to offer iPhone cases in general, but especially for the iPhone 16. And marketing products to Apple customers using paid ads is simple because Meta allows us to target iOS users specifically. This means that we can easily run targeted ads for iPhone users only. As for the design, I would suggest that designs similar to the one shown here can work well, especially with a catchy phrase. If you have a niche store, I recommend creating simple designs related to your niche. For example, let's say I have a yoga store. I could create a phrase like connect to your zen. Or if I have a surf store, surfs up, or I don't know, something like that. And you can easily add these things to the case. Now, don't forget to include options for the new iPhone 16 as it's generating a lot of buzz right now. Let's just check the potential of this item, including how many sales it has made. And for this, I just copied the URL of the website and I pasted into Zik Sales Tracker. And look at this. What can you see here? Tell me. I can see that the store sells only print-on-demand items, and the product that we reviewed here is the fourth best-selling item in the store, and it has made 76 sales in the past 30 days. When sourcing this item, I found it on Printify for only $15 with full customization options for the back of the case. And then you can dig a little bit further and click here, provider info right here, and then you see the price. It's also available for the newest iPhone model, the iPhone 16. That's what I'm talking about, man. This is a perfect match right here. And shipping to the US will only cost $5.49. So the total cost for this product is $20.49, while the store we reviewed is selling it for $25 more. That's crazy. Now, let's just calculate how much the print-on-demand store made from this product variation alone, all right? So the dropshipping store sells this item for $45, correct? Including shipping. So Shopify fees are 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction. That's $1.90. And the price on Printify is $20.49, including customization and shipping. So the profit per sale is $22.53. And with 76 sales in the past 30 days, the store made around $1,700 in profit before ad and operational expenses. So it's not bad for a product that can be easily sourced from Printify or any other print-on-demand supplier, right? I'm not that crazy. This one is one of the cutest print-on-demand items that I've seen recently. As you guys know, I love pets. That's not something new, but you have to meet the dog bandana. Even dogs can wear bandanas, and it's adorable, man. It's just adorable. And here's an example of a dog bandana. Zero Fluff's Given Dog bandana. Sold for $16.99 plus $10.07 for fast shipping. And this product is perfect if you have a pet related store, but even if you're not selling pet products, you can add it as an upsell or an add-on item. Just make sure that the design fits well with your store. For example, if you sell sports product, you could create a design featuring basketball on the bandana. And when I checked this item using Zig's store sales tracker, I saw that this item right here has sold almost 100 times if you combine the blue and the yellow versions. Now, I also found this dog bandana on Printify for only $10.55 plus $5.49 for shipping. And this is a product every dog lover would want, especially if the design is related to a niche they care about. By selling it at the same price as the review store, you can earn around $9 per unit after Shopify fees. That's nice, isn't it? Like, what are you thinking about these two products so far? Are you considering to give them a try in your store? And if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more quality content like this. If you want to streamline your product research process and find the best items for your store, you can subscribe to Zig Analytics for just $1 for the first week. The link is down here below. Now let's move to the next item. The next print-on-demand item is so simple to create, and it can become one of the best gifts for a mom. And I'm talking about a t-shirt with a nice and funny caption. Look at this. This is the example that I want to show. Journey for the Strong t-shirt. And this is one of my favorite products on today's list because creating a design like this one can be super easy using Canva, taking only a few seconds, like literally just a few seconds. It also makes a great gift for any event celebrating moms. And this store sells the t-shirt with the caption, "Being a mom is not a life full of struggle, but a journey for the strong." It's a nice caption, right? And you can also target fathers, and then you can do the same thing as for dads, right? Because dads are also very important, right? This t-shirt sells for $32.95 plus $4.95 for shipping. And after checking the store in Zig's sales tracker, I found that all its products are print on demand, which is great because I can gather more ideas for designs and captions to add to my own shirts. And the shirt that we reviewed here is the 7th best-selling item in the store and has sold a total of 114 times in the last 30 days. And when looking for this kind of shirt on Printify, I found a similar style here. Look at this. And this is a woman's soft style tee for only $8.18 plus $4.29 for shipping. Now let's quickly calculate how much profit the store is earning from this t-shirt if they're sourcing it at the same price. Now the drop shipping store sells the t-shirt for $32.95 including shipping. And then you have the Shopify fees, the transaction that's $1.25, and Printify price is $12.47 including customization and shipping. So the profit here per sale is $19.23. With 114 sales in the past 30 days, the store made around $2,200 in profit before ad and operation expenses. Now, let me give you a tip here. If you're selling t-shirts or any product that comes in different sizes, it's important to offer all available sizes and colors. This helps ensure you won't lose any sales just because you don't have the correct size or color the buyer's looking for. Now, let's move to the next product. The next best print on demand item is a product that fits every occasion when going out. And I'm talking about the tote bag. Whether you're heading to the beach or just going to gym class, a tote bag can come in handy. Here are two examples of tote bags being sold. More self-love tote bag and the positive lifestyle tote bag. Now, I want you to pay attention to two things here. These are real life images taken specifically to showcase the products in this store. And this is a great way to emphasize the uniqueness of your store rather than just mock-up images. These photos give off Instagram vibes, especially with the flower background there and the pink floor. So the location for the shoot was definitely well thought out. Credit to the store right here. Another thing, look at the design. There's nothing more than in a nice phrase with a unique font. As someone who doesn't consider themselves as a designer, I love seeing print-on-demand products that don't require complex design work. In fact, I wouldn't be surprised if the designs for these two products were made using Canva. Most likely. Regarding the price of these two items, they cost $13.67 plus $28.68 for shipping. Now, this tactic is quite common on individual websites where the base price appears lower next to the item, but the total cost increases significantly with shipping. So overall, these products cost $42.35 with shipping. Now, I took the URL of this website. I went to Zik Analytics to analyze their success. I saw that these two tote bags right here are the best-selling products in the store with 64 and 61 sales respectively. When I searched for a similar tote bag on Printify, I found this extra large tote bag right here. A weekender tote bag for only $25 plus an additional $5.39 for shipping. Using the same formula as before, we can see that the profit right here per sale is $9.95. So with 125 total sales for the two tote bags we reviewed in the past 30 days, the store made around $1,200 in profit before add in operational expenses. Okay. And once again, I will emphasize that the designs for these two tote bags aren't complicated at all. You can easily create them yourself. Please, if you haven't done that yet, just go to Canva, try it out. It's easy. Now, Zickers, we're almost at the end of this video. And if you're enjoying it, I would appreciate it if you could give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. It means a lot to me and to everyone here in Zik Analytics. And again, if you want to start your Shopify journey, you can do so by clicking here in the link below to open your Shopify store for only $1 for the first month. And the last item for today's list, it's not my first thought when it comes to print-on-demand products. But as I told you before, these days, every product can be printed on, so it can become like a print-on-demand item we can sell in our store, including this item right here, AirPods cases. Here we can see that this print-on-demand item right here, and also in here, the design on the AirPod case is simple and easily can be made by Canva, and the price for this item is $50 plus another $5.33 for shipping. And by checking this store using Zik Analytics, I found out that this item sold 15 times in the past 30 days, and this is the fourth bestseller of the store. Now, the same item costs only $13.43 plus another $5.49 for shipping on Printify. And this price includes the product customization with our preferred design. Also, in here, I can choose between cases from all the AirPod models available in the market. Customizing this product from Printify is costing 3 times less than the price the store is selling. After we do go over the same calculation process, the same formula, the total profit per sale is $34.51. And, with 15 total sales, we're talking about that in the last 30 days, this product made around $500 in profit before add in operational expenses. It's not bad. All right, Zickers, that's the end of our video. I hope that now you have a better idea of the best items to create for print on demand. Remember, by conducting thorough product and market research, you can boost your e-commerce store and achieve high sales, especially now that we're in the last quarter of the year. This is like the golden quarter where the demand for giftable items is at its peak. Keep moving forward and see you next time.